Some of the reasons why it happens: peer and social pressure, ignorance, rebellion, abuse, trauma, and many more. There are better ways to cope. Every day in life is a journey we would have to face. We learn something new all the time. It depends on us, on how we would handle situation. Sometimes a small improvement can lead to lasting change. But if you choose the negative side, these are the things that would happen. You are constantly fighting against yourself. Stress will not peace your mind. Money shall burn. Your addiction shall grow until it's too hard to stop.
Kalau menghubungi orang tuanya akan diberitakan keuangannya harus di sini untuk sekarang. Oh iya baik dok, siap.